Austin's vibrant business landscape thrives on appearance, atmosphere, and community engagement. Whether you operate a retail storefront, restaurant, office building, or multi-use property, maintaining a clean and welcoming environment is crucial. While many business owners focus on interior upkeep, one critical yet often overlooked area is the exterior cleanliness of your property. That's where commercial pressure washing comes into play, not just for aesthetics, but for health and safety as well. Let's explore why commercial pressure washing in Austin is essential for creating a clean, safe, and professional environment for your employees, customers, and visitors. Prevents the spread of bacteria, mold, and allergens. Austin's warm, humid climate creates the perfect conditions for mold, mildew, pollen, and algae to thrive on exterior surfaces like sidewalks, walls, and awnings. These substances don't just look unsightly, they pose real health risks, particularly for individuals with allergies or respiratory conditions. Pressure washing helps eliminate allergens like pollen and mold spores, harmful bacteria and fungi that accumulate on high-touch surfaces, slippery biofilms that can cause safety hazards. Regular commercial pressure washing reduces the spread of contaminants that can travel from outdoors to indoors, helping maintain a healthier space for customers and employees alike. Reduces slip and fall hazard. Safety is one of the top liabilities for any business. In Austin, outdoor surfaces can quickly become hazardous due to mold and algae buildup, spilled food or drinks, dust and grime accumulation, oil stains in parking lots and drive-through lanes. Wet or slippery surfaces create a major risk for slip and fall accidents, which can result in injuries and costly legal claims. Professional pressure washing removes debris and slippery residues, ensuring sidewalks, entrances, loading docks, and patios are safe and accessible year-round. Supports public health standards for food and hospitality businesses. Restaurants, cafes, and food service establishments in Austin are subject to strict local health codes. These regulations require businesses to maintain a clean exterior, particularly in areas where food is prepared, served, or consumed. Pressure washing ensures grease traps and dumpsters are kept sanitary and odor-free. Outdoor seating areas are hygienic and inviting. Delivery zones and drive-thrus remain clean and safe. By meeting or exceeding cleanliness standards, you not only avoid violations and fines but also build customer trust and confidence. Enhances your business's image. Health and safety go hand in hand with perception. First impressions matter, especially in a competitive city like Austin, where residents appreciate cleanliness and quality. Dirty sidewalks, stained walls, and neglected exteriors can give customers the wrong idea about your business, even before they walk through the door. Pressure washing refreshes building exteriors, windows, and signage, restores sidewalks, brick, concrete, and entryways. Makes your business look professional, responsible, and welcoming. A clean facade shows that you prioritize safety, quality, and community standards, which can boost foot traffic and brand loyalty. Promotes employee well-being. A clean workplace contributes to employee satisfaction and productivity. No one wants to walk through dirty pathways or work in a building that looks neglected from the outside. By maintaining a clean exterior through regular pressure washing, you foster a sense of pride among staff, reduce exposure to allergens and germs, encourage a safe, uplifting work environment. In turn, this can help retain employees and improve daily morale, both critical to running a successful operation. Final thoughts. Cleanliness is more than cosmetic. Commercial pressure washing is about more than just appearance. It's a vital service that supports health, safety, compliance, and brand reputation. In a city as dynamic as Austin, your property should reflect your business values: clean, safe, and welcoming to all. If you haven't scheduled commercial pressure washing recently, now is the time to take action. Partner with a trusted Austin-based provider to ensure your business exterior meets the highest standards for your team, your customers, and your future success.